How old do I look? AI is a new software making waves, but is it worth your time? In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know before using this tool. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether it's worth diving into or just another gimmick. First, let's talk about what it actually does. The how old do I look? AI software uses advanced facial recognition and age prediction technology to analyze a photo of you and estimate how old you look. Pretty cool, right? But this isn't just some basic app. It uses algorithms that process key facial features and compare them to a database of ages, making the predictions surprisingly accurate for many users. The technology is still evolving, so accuracy may vary, but the results can definitely be fun and intriguing. Now, you're probably wondering how accurate it really is. Some users find it impressively close, while others feel it's a bit off. It's important to remember that this AI is still a tool that can only predict based on data. If you're expecting it to get your exact age, don't be disappointed. It's more of a fun test than a precise measurement. But the tech behind it is constantly improving, which means the predictions are likely to get better over time. One of the biggest advantages of this software is its ease of use. You don't need to be tech savvy to use it. Simply upload your photo, and the AI will do its thing. Within seconds, you'll get an estimated age, plus some additional details on how the software came to that conclusion. There's really no learning curve here, just an easy, quick experience. And if you're into social media or like sharing fun things with friends, this app could easily go viral as you compare results and reactions. Another thing to consider is the potential for privacy concerns. Like many AI-driven apps, How Old Do I Look requires you to upload a photo of yourself. While the app doesn't seem to store photos long-term, it's always wise to be cautious about where you're uploading personal images. Be sure to review the privacy policy before you dive in, just to make sure you're comfortable with how your data is handled. The best part? You can try it for free through the first link below. That's right. No commitments, no strings attached. It's a great way to test out the app without risk and see if it's worth the time. Now, let's talk about some of the things you may not like. The AI doesn't always perform perfectly, especially in cases of photos with unusual lighting or angles. So, while it's fun to try, don't expect flawless results every time. That said, this is typical with most AI tools. They're still learning and improving. If you're looking for something more robust or professional, this might not be the tool for you. But if you're after a quick, fun experience, this could definitely be worth a try. Additionally, the app only works with facial images, so don't expect it to analyze anything other than your face. You're limited to using standard photos, which may not always deliver the best results, depending on the image quality. However, the app does make it clear that the clearer and more direct the photo, the better the prediction. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that while How Old Do I Look? AI is a fun tool, it's not groundbreaking. It's designed for entertainment, and if you want something deeper, like full facial analysis for skincare, age progression modeling, or other serious uses, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, if you're still curious, I've listed my top recommended AI tools in the description after trying thousands of them. You can try them for free too, so be sure to check that out. So there you have it. How old do I look? AI could be a fun app to mess around with, but it's not a game changer. I'd recommend giving it a shot for some light entertainment. And who knows, maybe you'll learn something new about yourself along the way. Make sure to grab your free trial through the link below and check out the other AI tools I've recommended for you.